This is strange, everybody. Cardinal Timothy Dolan here. When I was a kid, I used to love helping my mom hang the laundry outside on the clothesline to dry. You old timers like me will remember that beautiful custom before we had electrical dryers. I used to love to be out in the fresh air and hang up the laundry to dry with mom. But I noticed we never, ever did it on Sunday. We didn't do it on Sunday. And I said to mom, Mom, aren't we going to do the laundry and hang up the stuff outside to dry? She said, honey, not on Sunday. Not on Sunday. This is the day that we worship God and try to avoid all unnecessary work. That's a beautiful custom, folks. Did I ever tell you that I was at a synagogue once for Shabbat and a young man was bar mitzvahed? And afterwards, I said to him, here, I'm giving you my zucchetto. And then he gave me his to wear, the skull cap that Jews wear. And he said, oh, Cardinal Dolan, would you sign it? So I autographed the inside of my zucchetto. And then I said to him, hey, how about you autographing yours? And he looked at me and said, I can't because it's the Sabbath. That's how seriously they take the Sabbath, okay? We need to get back to that. No unnecessary work on Sunday. It's time for prayer, worship, Mass, family, friends, relaxation.